Today, the internet is one of the most popular places for businesses to advertise in. Every website you visit, you will see that there will be advertising everywhere. This is called internet marketing. If you have a business of your own and you want to effectively market your products or services, you will see that the internet will be one huge bulletin board that you can advertise in. Here, you will be able to virtually advertise anything, and it is open for 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. With hundreds of millions of people visiting the internet on a daily basis from all over the world, you can be sure that advertising here will definitely increase your sales. One great website that you may want to concentrate your online advertising campaign on is Facebook. Today, this social networking website is now considered to be one of the largest social networking websites existing. Here, you will see that over 62 million people are now active members and are still continually increasing. With figures like this, you know that it will provide you with a very big opportunity to increase your sales and your profit. In fact, it is so huge that large companies or corporations are now marketing on Facebook. Basically, Facebook is a social networking website. Once you join, you will be able to find your friends who are also a member and add them to your list. This will create a small group of your friends, and it will enable you to view their profiles and know more about them, and vice versa. You can even send and receive messages as well as comments. Also, you will be able to post on bulletins that your friends will be able to read. These are the things that you can do with Facebook. It is basically the fastest growing social networking websites today. Because of this, a lot of people have started marketing on Facebook. The great thing about Facebook marketing is that it provides a free and easy way to promote products and services. With the included tools in Facebook, you will be able to take advantage of it, such as the stumble upon and dig buttons to promote your website or your products and services. This is a great way to generate targeted traffic to your website, and it will enable you to increase the potential in selling your products and services as well as increase the volume of sales. Because Facebook is available for people from all over the world, your business will be able to reach out to more people if you advertise on Facebook. In today's ever-competitive business world, you know that you need to use every tool available in order to get ahead of your competitors. So, the next time you are thinking about marketing your business online, you might want to try marketing in Facebook. Here, you will be able to reach out to more people, and it is also easy to do so, and the best thing about it is that it's free. With Facebook, you will definitely be able to efficiently market your business. Marketing in Facebook is free, easy, and fun. These are the things that you need to remember whenever you want to try marketing online. Try joining Facebook and you will see the potential on letting it help your business grow. If you like this video, give us a like. Subscribe to the channel for more.